This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spoodles, specifically these Lux Spoodles. And we have several size options to show you. We have the 2-ounce stainless steel perforated with red handle, the 3-ounce solid with the ivory handle, the 4-ounce perforated with the green handle, the 5-ounce solid with yellow handle, the 6-ounce perforated with black handle, and the 8-ounce solid with the blue handle. They're all 13 inches in length, and you have the choice between the solid or perforated for those bowls or scoops. The handles are color-coded, so it's really easy to spot and identify the size of each one and help prevent cross-contamination. The handles have a nice ergonomic design. You've got those nice little ridges, so it's easy to grip them with your fingers. They also feature a nice little rest there to keep it up on the edge of pots and pans or on the edge of hotel pans, and a nice little hook on the end as well if you need a little more length. So they're really versatile and easy to use serving tool that's going to be comfortable, especially if you're using them for a long period of time. They're all made of a nice stainless steel construction for a really durable serving tool that's suitable for use with both hot and cold foods. You've got a great choice for the range of sizes, so you can always serve up that perfect portion. And you have a nice choice between the perforated and the solid for some really versatile tools. It's going to allow you to scoop, drain, and serve all in one motion. These are great for use in high volume establishments for quick serving of really accurate portions. They're rust resistant as well, and they're also dishwasher safe, meaning you have easy care and maintenance on these long-lasting tools. They're perfect for restaurants, buffets, cafeterias, hotels, caterers, and other large food establishments.